Leica is entering the crowded smartphone segment with the launch of its first handset, Leitz Phone 1. The phone's big selling point are the cameras given the expertise of the company, and the Leitz Phone 1 packs a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor with 19mm equivalent focal length. The phone has a magnetic lens cap for the circular camera setup at the back for added protection. Up front, the Leica Leitz Phone 1 has a hole-punc display and the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. Leica Leitz Phone 1 Price, Sale. The first Leica phone, called the Leitz Phone 1, has launched in Japan. It is priced at 187,920 Japanese yen, roughly 125,800 rupees, and is listed on the SoftBank site. The phone is available in a single Leica Silver color option. Leitz Phone 1 will be on sale in Japan sometime in July. Leica Leitz Phone 1 Specifications. Detailing specifications, the Leica Leitz Phone 1 runs on Android 11 and features a 6.6-inch OXCA Plus, 2730 by 1260 pixels OLED display. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with 12GB RAM. Internal storage on the phone is listed to be 256GB with the option to expand further using a microSD card slot, up to 1TB. The major highlight is at the back where the 1-inch camera sensor sits. Leica Leitz Phone 1 has a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor with f/1.9 aperture and 19mm equivalent focal length. There's a monochrome mode at the back for taking pictures in black and white. Up front, the phone features a 12.6-megapixel selfie sensor. Leica Leitz Phone 1 has a 5,000 mAh battery on board and comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options include USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi 802.11x, Bluetooth V5.2, VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Face Unlock. The phone measures approximately at 74 by 162 by 9.5 mm and it weighs 212 grams.